Pick one from the following. Meanies, curly whirlies, Turkish delight, tenora or golden crisp.
What's tenora?
Yeah, I don't. What's tenora?
Yeah, what's tenora?
What's tenora?
What's tenora?
Barries or Lyons?
Barries.
Barries. I've never met someone who said Lyons, to be honest.
Yeah. I've never met a bad Barry.
What was your first concert?
I think it was Richie Kavanagh at the Ploughing Championships. Yeah, I don't know. I got brought there a few times and I didn't know why. I was like, maybe he's me dad.
Yeah.
And after seeing the show, I'd say so. Like
It
that.
kind of makes sense that he's your dad.
Tell me an Irish myth or a legend from memory.
I was in Kerry recently enough, and I was in a town called Sneem, and this person told me this like legend of a fella, actually funnily enough, called Barry, and he told me in Limerick form, which isn't that common, but it goes, there once was a man from Sneem who was living beyond his means. He was fond of the drink, and his wallet did shrink, but he made his money back dancing in jeans. And it's
No, I feel like, do you have one?
There are those wells up in Sneem. These like naturally occurring springs of cream, like Irish cream, that like never goes off because it's always in motion. And Barries go up there to bathe, and they're the only ones who can find it, like, apparently.
Yeah.
But
I feel like I'm having a stroke.
Did you have a sweet shop that you visited on the way home from school? What was it called? What did you buy?
Mr. Maloney's. I think I got like the 99 bag. Just jellies and rashers and things.
Jellies and rashers.
Did you not call them rashers? Not the bacon things, but like, it's like a long strip and it's full of sugar and it's sour. Yeah.
I was picturing raw rashers and jellies.
Did you have one?
Yeah, I had one actually that was near my house. It's closed down now. It was a horrible couple. And there was just like one of each item on all the shelves. And like you'd be walking in there as a little 6-year-old, 7-year-old, and they'd be like smoking. You'd be like, can I have cola bottle? Oh no. Because they'd be like going in like...
what's your favourite word or phrase in the Irish language?
Schmig.
Why?
Chin. It's fun to say.
Yeah.
Any words you like?
Knock.
Canuck.
Yeah, that's nice to say.
Yeah.
Canuck.
Best slag you've ever heard an Irish person say?
Your da sells Avon.
Shifting, meeting, scoring. What was your name for it?
When I was young, it was meeting. But I haven't said meat in a long time.
Yeah.
The shift's good.
Yeah.
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 All the above, but I liked meeting because it was ambiguous and I could say it in front of my parents and they just think I was like a very sociable young lady.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice. If you had to explain it, what is trad music? Slapping the rashers off some fella.
Probably the next hip hop, I'd say.
Like hip hop, music of the people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good.
Music of the people.
That's nice. What does your name mean and why was it given to you?
My mom gave it to me because she thought it meant joy. It actually, I don't know, pagan god of wine madness and like theatrical.
Dionysus.
Dionysus.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing. Yeah. That's great.
What's your favourite story or creature from Irish folklore?
Ooh. A dog.
A dog!
A doggy.
I don't know now if it's exactly Irish folklore, but County Denny. It's kind of a newer one, but it's the 33rd secret county that we don't know about.
Oh, really?
Or not allowed. But if you go to find a Texaco that's still in service, it might be nearby.
What Irish musician or band are you currently listening to on repeat?
Bo or Bio. It's a trad album by like 3 or 4 players and I bought it digitally.
Listen to a lot of Tongue Bundle, always listening to Tongue Bundle.
I'm listening to Crea's last album. I'm listening to Persona, i.e. I'm listening to The Ullum. listening to Shamamara. I'm listening to Hazy Haze. I'm listening to Citrus. Citrus album was...
Citrus is amazing. Rinsed all of his things many times.
Yeah, completely. I'm hearing cool things about you and trolleys and performances. So when is that happening and what day and how?
Yeah, on the evening of Paddy's Day, the 17th of March, we'll be rolling around the Collins Barracks with our trolley full of bits.
I also will be performing on the 17th. The last show in Collins Barracks on the 17th.
Class.
Closing it out.
Cool. Not intimidating at all. Really excited about it. You should come.
Where is the beat?
Oh, Roshida Bahawalya. Oh, Roshida Bahawalya. Oh, Roshida Bahawalya. And sure thunder. Oh, Roshida Bahawalya. Oh, Roshida Bahawalya. Oh, Roshida Bahawalya. E-I-E-I-O.